May, making auto easy, right? Yeah. All right, come on up.
Hello. Oh, hi. So I'm dedicating this to the women in the room. So I spent the last 7 years working at General Motors consulting dealerships. And when it came time to buying my own car, I realized that I was still thinking about bringing my father or my husband or brother, boyfriend to come with me. And that felt so ridiculous considering I know so much more about cars than they do. And it turns out that I'm not the only woman that feels this way. In fact, 90% of women stated that they wouldn't go to a dealership without a man, despite that 85% of car purchases are actually influenced by them. And even though women purchase the majority of all cars, 2 out of 3 women state that they don't know where to start when it comes to actually buying one. My name is Vivian. I'm the founder of May, which stands for Making Auto Easy. May is a car shopping experience created for women by women. We are building an AI-enabled recommendation service that helps you understand your options so that you can pick and decide on the right car for you. Unlike the competitors that kind of just push you to look at inventory before you're really ready for it, what we're doing is helping you with the beginning of your purchase experience, saving you about 1 to 2 months of researching time. What we're doing is we can help you shortlist from 1,500 different car combinations down to 6 to 8 different vehicles built just for you, down to the trim level. And what's really cool is that our customers are actually buying vehicles that they've never even heard of before from brands that they weren't even considering. What's really great about that is that they are making a more intentional purchase. And for dealerships and manufacturers, they're getting the opportunity to look at or to work with customers that didn't even have them on their radar. And all the data that we're collecting is not just so cool for us, but really great for future automotive partners such as dealerships, manufacturers, auto retailers. And for the men that are in the room who are just as confused, we are here to help you as well. So don't worry, as we scale, our intention is to build this for everybody. So if you're interested, check us out at makingautoeasy.com and follow us on social media at makingautoeasy. And thank you very much.
Thank you. Wow, that sounds really cool. I think most of the men will, you go use the app in secret